With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
The question is, what are the constituents of a solder alloy? Which property of solder makes it suitable for welding electrical wires? Okay, so the first thing is the constituents of solder alloy. So solder alloy is made up of lead and tin. Okay, it consists of 50% lead and 50% tin. So when lead and tin are combined in equal amounts, solder alloy is formed. Okay, so which is the property of solder which makes it suitable for welding electrical wires or soldering electrical wires? It is the low melting point of the solder alloy. Now, because it has a low melting point, it can be used for the welding of electrical wires or soldering of electrical wires, right? Why? Because of which property? Because of the low melting point, it can be used to weld electrical wires and it is suitable for that. So that's all for the question.
For class 6 to 12, ITG and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.